I get a lot of questions about how do you title an abandoned trailer? How do you title a trailer from a seller who didn't have the title, who bought it from like 3 other people who didn't have a title and still can't title it? Well, this is how I've titled several trailers now. It is a tedious process, but it is how I got it done here. I'm from Arizona. Every other state's a little bit different, but not much different. So the process is going to be similar. So I'm here at the DMV, and how you deal with trailers that have no title is you have to come here. But you have to schedule an appointment online first at servicearizona.com. You scroll down to vehicle inspection. You click that, and then you won't have a VIN, obviously, so you put I don't have a VIN. Then you choose VIN to be assigned. You enter your personal information down there once you've chosen that. And everything is unknown, so for year you put 000 and unknown for the other options. You choose level 2. Unless you made the entire trailer, then you got to choose level 3 because it's a little bit more in-depth instruction for structural integrity. You choose the place you're at. You choose the date. Only once a month do they do it. It used to do it twice a month, but I think now it's like once, at least down where I'm at. So these are all the options. All the other options have been taken, so I'm going to choose this one. Also for the inspection, they only do them certain times out of the month. Like this time they're doing it once a month, so I had to schedule multiple appointments within a month on that very same day. So it was annoying, but I got it done. So if it's a homemade trailer, he marks it as homemade trailer, or she, whoever's here, the ADOT comes. If it is a pre-built trailer like this one, which I did some mods to it, but if it's 40% of the trailer that you modded, then it becomes homemade. That's like a significant modification to the trailer. So that's how you get around that if you modify 40% of it. Modifying 40% of a trailer is doable, but it's a rare occasion. So this one right now, he found out what it was from. He gave it a new serial number, and he's gonna give me paperwork right now, and then we're gonna take this paperwork to a insurance agency to get a no title bond. You have to wait a day, and after you do that, it's as good as registering, much as good as a regular title. You're vouching on the bond that you are the sole owner of this trailer and that you didn't steal it, blah, 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 blah. And so they will then give you a new title. You'll have to pay a bunch of money. It gets a permanent tag down here in Arizona, probably not permanent for everybody else, but that's how we're getting around this. Here's the paperwork he gave me. You gotta hold that stuff on and put that in a paper clip or something and tie it. After you get them, you gotta go into the DMV, and they give you additional paperwork after you get the inspection. Then you to get that paperwork, and you gotta take it to, say, like a place like this, going to Citywide Insurance, and you gotta wait a day. All right, and there you have it. That's how we got it done. Now, it does deviate from other states. Some other states are much more lenient. Some other states are even stricter than this one, if you can believe it. But it can be done, and it's all right. So I'm low-key trying to launch my own rental fleet eventually. That's like a thing, a very serious thing that can happen. If you have any other questions, things you think I have missed that'll help you out. And again, it's one thing to register a trailer and get a bond for it. It's a completely different thing to try and get that for like a boat hull. Good luck with that stuff if you can't find the title. Don't buy a boat without a title. In Arizona, at least don't do it. Don't do it. All right, guys, see ya.